traumatizing incident has been reported from Dambala village in Mundaraki taluk of Gadag district, where a stray dog has been consistently following funeral processions in the village, leaving residents astonished. According to villagers, whenever a person in the village dies, the dog arrives at the house of the deceased and remains outside. It then joins the funeral procession and walks along with the villagers up to the burial ground. Locals say the dog stays at the cemetery until all the final rituals are completed and then returns to the village along with the villagers. The unusual behavior has been observed for the past 3 to 4 years. Villagers also recalled that recently, when an elderly woman named Paramma passed away in Dambala village, the dog followed the funeral procession and accompanied the body all the way to the burial ground. Residents say the dog has been attending every funeral in the village during this period, and its consistent behavior has surprised not only the villagers but also people from nearby areas. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.